Hi, this is MJ from the Rise Group. I hope you guys are safe right now. In Los Angeles, we have the devastating wildfires happening, and wanted to provide you a little bit of information, hopefully a little bit, a sliver of positivity. And that comes from something that California has that's called Prop 19. I have Eric from Monarch Title. He's here to provide a little bit of information about Prop 19. What do we normally use Prop 19 for in California?
So there are different components to California Proposition 19. Um, Specifically, I'm a title representative, so we deal mostly with the property tax component of California Proposition 19, and there are three components to that. The benefit or the relief provided through Proposition 19 is for seniors that are at the age of 55 and older, right, that own a primary residence, that want to sell that property and buy somewhere else in California, but they want to keep their property taxes low, so they want to transfer the property taxes that they have on their current home onto the replacement home that they buy in another area in California.
They're on a fixed income.
That's the most common use of the property tax-based transfer. The second component is one for severely disabled homeowners that wish to sell and purchase elsewhere in California. They can also apply for the transfer of the property tax base relief through Proposition 19 and do the same thing. The third component is for victims of earthquakes, and in this case, wildfires, right? Those folks that were affected directly by the wildfires that we're having can apply for relief when they decide if they are going to, once they decide if they're going to rebuild their home or if they're going to buy a new home elsewhere. They can apply for relief through California Proposition 19 so that they can transfer their property tax base that they have on their existing home onto the new home that they either build or purchase. So it keeps them from being reappraised and having their property taxes bumped up to whatever the current market value is versus the assessed value that has remained low since they purchased the property. If they purchased 10, 15, 20, 30 years ago, those property owners typically have a very low property tax base. And so Prop 19 allows them to transfer that on to the home that they rebuild or that they purchase. Right now there is a claims process and they have to submit their claim so that they can receive the relief.
But potentially somebody who is under 55 and bought a home 5, 6, 10 years ago and has a different price point and tax bracket and situation versus now rebuilding maybe a $500,000 home. Now in what's going to come in 2025, it could cost at $1.5 million. And basing off the new property taxes that who knows what we're going to do with California to rebuild, you're saying there's an opportunity to keep that lower tax bracket to help them rebuild and stay here instead of fire selling off their land and leaving completely.
Well, the benefit specifically is to transfer their property tax base that they have now onto the new property that they either purchase or rebuild, right? That's the relief available through Proposition 19 for victims of natural disasters or wildfires, right? So, but there's outside of Proposition 19, they can apply for relief immediately on their current property taxes if their home was impacted by the wildfire. So outside of Prop 19, they can apply for relief on their property taxes right now, and there is a claims process for that as well. And then if they decide that they are going to rebuild or that they're going to buy another property, they can apply for relief then through California Proposition 19 to transfer their low tax base onto the replacement property. So two things here: immediate relief of their property taxes now, and then down the line when they decide whether if they're gonna rebuild or buy, relief by transferring their low property tax base onto the replacement property. So there is resources available for these folks if they have questions and they want to ask those questions in person. The County of Los Angeles has set up resource centers for them, one at Pasadena City College and one at the UCLA campus for those people that wish to get information directly from federal, state, or county officials about the relief and the process for relief for those folks that were affected by the wildfires. So we'll post the link in the description on where they can go and get this information, or if they prefer to email, but if they want in-person information from the officials, they can get it now at these locations.
Yeah, you can definitely do a lot of this online. However, just speaking with different people who've been affected, it seems a little daunting to do it by yourself online. So definitely reach out, come in person to one of the locations, have them do the, even if it's simple steps that you can do. Sometimes it may be just a little bit too much bandwidth. So let them, whether it's state or federal or county, let them help you, let them ease a little bit of your burden, hopefully to help you in the upcoming months and years to go. So thank you.